Have you dreamed of owning a ski in ski out townhome on Blackcomb? Well, I've got a 1-bedroom at Painted Cliff. Let's go on in and have a look. And welcome to number 8 Painted Cliff. Come on in. And here in the entry we have a little mudroom, and you've got some space to sit, put your ski boots on, hang up your gear. There's a nice heater here, you can dry things out. And welcome to the kitchen and living area. And in the living room we've got a pull-out sofa, and you've also got a real wood-burning fireplace. And off to the left here we actually have seating for 4 in the dining area. Now what I love about number 8 Painted Cliff is the kitchen. So the kitchen is really fully featured and spacious enough for a weekend or even full-time living. And you've got a brand new quartz countertop, all done nice and white. And we've got white subway tiles that were recently done on the backsplash and fresh appliances throughout. Through off the kitchen, we've got the bathroom here on your left. And as you head straight through, we've got the master bedroom. What you're probably wondering is, where's all the storage? Well, let me show you something. In the closet, we have a huge storage area that they've carved out, and this is all storage, but down in the crawl space, you've got massive storage, and I want to show you that next. The crawl space encompasses the entire floor plan of the unit. So the entire downstairs is nice and dry, lots of space for storage. It's broken up into a couple of different sections, and it's about 4 feet tall, so you can fit everything you really want to down there. Out on the deck, we've got space to barbecue, space to store your wood, and we've got the Stellar Jays squawking at us out here off the railing. It's a pretty snowy day today, but if it wasn't, you'd be able to see right through the cedars here a perfect view of Sprout Mountain. Thanks so much for joining me on this tour of number 8 at Painted Cliff, a 1-bedroom townhome at Blackcomb, right on the ski in ski out trail leading down to the base of the Blackcomb gondola. If you have any questions about real estate in Whistler, reach out to me. My contact details are in the description below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.